Congratulations! You are now part of the great Immunotech family. You've taken a powerful step toward transforming your life. Get ready to experience greater well-being, personal growth, and a world of endless possibilities. Your Welcome Kit is your ultimate companion on this exciting journey. Designed to help you maximize every resource, it's organized into two key categories: for you to know and to share. This structure makes it easy to distinguish materials for your personal learning from those you can share with potential prospects. Dive in and explore these valuable resources. They're here to support you in building a strong and successful business from day one. In the For You to Know category, you'll find resources designed to empower you right from the start. This includes a special message from our CEO, Mauricio Domenzane, where he shares why Immunotech is the perfect place for you and how it can transform your life. On the back, you'll find a summary of all the benefits and tools available to you as an Immunotech Pro consultant. Be sure to scan the QR codes. They are key to guiding you on your path to success. Now, it's time to explore the Immunotech Compensation Plan. Here, you'll discover the 7 ways to earn income, each designed to help you start generating earnings from day one. Take advantage of these opportunities and lay the foundation for a strong and thriving business with Immunotech. The Roadmap to Success is your step-by-step guide for your first 30 and 60 days with Immunotech. At each stage, you'll find QR codes that provide clear and simple guidance on the key actions you need to take to successfully grow your business. Follow the roadmap and set yourself up for success. Explore Immunotech's key products with the product cards, your go-to resource for confident and effective conversations. These handy tools provide essential product information, helping you share the benefits with ease. Keep them close and make the most of every opportunity. It's time to connect with your prospects. To support you, you'll have access to the For You to Share materials, specially designed to help you introduce Immunotech, showcase its benefits, and grow your business with confidence. Dive into the Wellness Revolution magazine and explore Immunotech's scientifically backed products and their incredible benefits. This powerful tool will help you learn, share, and inspire others on their journey to better health, making it easier to introduce wellness with confidence. Get to know ImmunoCal, our iconic product, its incredible benefits, and how to use it. Plus, explore glutathione in a clear and simple way, understanding why it's essential for overall well-being. This is must-know information for all your contacts. Share it and help them discover the power of ImmunoCal. Explore the business brochure, your essential reference for understanding and sharing the Immunotech opportunity. Inside, you'll discover what makes Immunotech unique and gain key insights to confidently present the business and maximize its incredible potential. Your Immunotech Pro backpack is more than just a bag. It's a key tool for your daily success. It helps you stay organized, carry your materials with ease, and present a professional image that reflects your business. Take it with you wherever you go and make every moment an opportunity. Your sponsor is a key partner in your journey to success. Connect with them as soon as possible and collaborate on a development plan to help you grow, stay on track, and achieve your goals. You can access all these materials anytime in your business center and the Immunotech Pro app. Your Welcome Kit marks the beginning of an exciting journey. It equips you with everything you need to learn, grow, and share from day one. Make the most of every tool and start building your success today.